Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at the North Trail 24 BHS. My name is Big Sal, by the way, but this is an awesome unit made by Heartland. You got your propane tanks, you got your power jack here up front, of course. You've got your protection here from rock chips. There's lights out here too for at night when you pull up to the campsite. Great storage underneath here. You've got plenty of room for all your gear. You got power leveling jacks. And then as we walk around, you got a nice big power awning, outdoor speakers. This unit comes equipped with a nice little outdoor kitchen. The fridge, there's a little refrigerator that goes here, but it's not here right now. It's got a nice little cooktop, a nice little sink. It's great for when you're out camping. You got your picnic table out here. It's a lot of fun. This one also comes with the wide track suspension, which is awesome. Gives you a better ride, better handling for when you're towing. Also comes with the solid step entry. Let's go check it out inside. Now, one of the cool things about the North Trail from Heartland is this is a beautifully equipped unit. Really nice fit and finish on everything. Beautiful countertops. Nice little entertainment system. This one is a bunk unit. It's got the double bunks here. Lots of room for the kiddos. It's got the nice big bathroom with a tub, shower, skylight. It does come with a upgraded oven from Furrion. Nice microwave, great size fridge, lots of storage. It does have a central vacuum in this particular unit. This does swivel around into the bedroom, so you can watch TV while you're in your bedroom. You just have to have these doors open. Nice little nightstand on each side. I don't know if you can quite see that. You got great storage, nice little storage up above too. Lots of room. Really a nice unit. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.